In this VidzFX review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create special effects videos in minutes and even sell them as a service. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out VidzFX, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, start your own 6-figure special effects video production agency without any video skills. Transform ordinary videos into jaw-dropping, clicks and share, getting, sales-generating, scroll-stopping videos in seconds. Perfect for creating videos for logo reveals, ads, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, videos, lower thirds, titles, countdowns, Hollywood style, YouTube outros, logo stings, teasers, and much, much more. So essentially, this software works on a Windows or a Mac computer. It has 300 plus unique special effects and 25 unique video templates. You can easily edit in these special effects and create them so that they look really, really cool right on top of your videos. You can use this for logo reveals, titles, all these different things here. It has the commercial license included. You can even sell these as a service. I did a quick search on Fiverr for just video creation. There's just tons of different things here, like people actually selling stuff already. You could do special effects on people's videos already and provide that as a service as well. Look at this guy right here, $1,750 for creating these little brand videos. This guy's gonna create a high-end cinematic corporate video, $5,500. I will make videos for your cash cow channel, $3,000. This one right here, I'll professionally edit your commercial or ad, $2,000. I'll make your professional video, $1,690. Even if you charge half of what they're charging, there's still a lot of money to be made in helping people create videos. There's a lot of people out there that have no idea how to do it. You can help them do that. This says pick a template. You can import a YouTube video in one click. Pick your existing videos, start with a blank canvas. You can add in special effects with point and click simplicity, and then create any video you can imagine for your business or sell it as a service for clients. And you can actually see here on the sales page,
clicks,
you can see
leads,
like
and
special
sales.
effects you can add onto these videos, like these little things that they put
special
over the top
FX
here
videos,
and make
because
it look
they
really
are the
cool
number one way to captivate and mesmerize your audience
to these videos. Now you can go over to that sales page and watch that video on your own. I am going to play you another video in a second here explaining this a little bit more, but if you want to see some more examples with your own eyes, you're welcome to head on over to the sales page by clicking that link below. Now this is traditional boring videos, and then same video after we use VidFX on them, so it actually makes it like stand out here and it makes it look a lot cooler. You can see here just the little examples here on this page. Look, here's the car with a thing coming out of it. Look at that, that's pretty cool looking. And they look cool. It makes the videos stand out more, and that's what marketing is all about, standing out from your competition. If you look at some of these companies out here, they're also using this type of videos in order to get more people to watch their videos, to pay attention, and to actually make them more sales. A lot of brands leveraging this type of technology. So you could obviously provide this as a service to people and make people's videos look even better. And a lot of people want their videos to stand out. They want that flashiness in their marketing. So I'm going to scroll through most of this here. You can check this out in your when you come to this page. We can see some of the effects that you can add on to these videos here. Some actual examples of all that, all the different transitions that you can add in. You can share anywhere and everywhere. Personal or commercial rights, works on both Windows and Mac. All these extra bonuses here. And of course, you can use it for pretty much whatever you want. Now, I'm going to scroll down here because I'm not going to go through everything with you here, but there's two licenses. There's the commercial and the personal. Most people will get the commercial. It says it's going to give you a ton more stuff, some extra bonuses here, and it's only a little bit more expensive. This price will go up during the launch period, so whatever price that you see when you visit this page, that's the price that it's going for at this time. So what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the special bundle discount.
What if you can transform ordinary videos into jaw-dropping, clicks and shares, getting sales, generating scroll-stopping videos in seconds, without any video or design skills? I'm talking here stunning logo reveals. video ads, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, lower thirds, titles, countdowns, Hollywood-style promo videos, YouTube outros, logo stings, teasers, special FX videos, awesome special FX videos that stand out among tons of ordinary, boring videos online, ready to get you and your clients more engagement, conversions, and sales without hiring expensive freelancers or agencies, without buying complicated design tools, without the headache of doing it all yourself or paying someone through the nose to get it done. Look, it doesn't matter what business and niche you're in. Today, if you want to engage your viewers and convert them into leads and sales, you need your videos to look like they've been smuggled straight out of Hollywood. And mind you, just one stunning video won't do the trick. You need different types of videos, and you need them literally every day, or every other day at least. Now, you could buy an expensive video editor and then spend countless hours watching training videos, but then you still need to buy all the visual and sound effects, and then hope you can make videos that look good. Or you could outsource them because marketing your business is an ongoing process, and you can't afford to just not post a video every couple of days. I mean, certainly not if you want to stay on top of your audience's mind, but you'll be burning a hole in your pocket every time you need a video. Or you can skip all that wasted time and money and make all the special FX videos you want for yourself and your clients too, in minutes, even if you have zero video skills. Thanks to VidzFX, the world's fastest and easiest special effects video creator. Start with a done-for-you template, create from scratch, import from YouTube, or even transform any boring video you already have into a stunning FX video in just 3 easy steps. Simply pick a template, upload your own video, or even import from YouTube in just 1 click. Or you can even start with a blank canvas. Now choose from dozens of special effects and add whichever ones you like with point-and-click simplicity. Create any video you can imagine for your business or for your clients. Logo reveals, video ads, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, lower thirds, titles, countdowns, Hollywood-style promo videos, YouTube outros, logo stings, teasers, special FX videos. With VidzFX, you get done-for-you special effects video templates, a huge special effects library to use on any video, video agency quality themes that you can apply to any video in just 1 click, studio quality stunning HD video backgrounds that you can mix and match to apply to any video, built-in professional fonts, images, sound effects, and music tracks. All these can be added to your videos with a simple point and click. Not just that, you can even add voiceovers and text-to-speech in multiple voices and languages. You can add transitions, watermarks, and add your or your client's branding with just 1 click. VidzFX is perfect if you're a digital marketer, an affiliate marketer, an entrepreneur, a social media marketer, a website owner, a blogger, an influencer, a paid advertiser, an e-commerce store owner, a brick-and-mortar business owner, a podcaster, an SEO professional, or if you have clients in these niches. Because for a special time, we're including a commercial license too. Sell unlimited special effects videos to unlimited customers and keep 100% of all the profits you make. Try VidzFX risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, keep the videos you've created and we'll refund you every penny. No hassles, no questions asked. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. Create all the special effects videos you want and even start your own big-ticket special effects video production agency in minutes. Click the button below to get started right now.
Okay, so we're back here. So after you purchase, you will have access to the backend area where you can actually go in here and access the software, download it onto your computer. And again, you can use it on a Mac or a PC. Now there are multiple upgrades. So the first one you're gonna see here is gonna be the Max edition. You get 25 more done for you special effects templates, 400 more special effect elements, and international text and voice over translation to 100 languages. So it's also gonna give you some extra things here, green screen remover, color remover, tons of extra features added on to your software. This is an optional upgrade here. And you can see there's a personal or there is a commercial license for this one. The next one you'll see here, it says explode your privates by adding our animated and illustrated videos creator. So this adds extra features, animated and illustrated videos to your software here. Again, it's an optional upgrade. This one here is going to cost $67 for this one. The next one you'll see, unlock the slideshow and live action video creator. So this is another option that you have for this one. Again, more stuff to kind of soup up your software. That's $47 for this one. Next one here is a sign up client. So this is an agency package. So if you want to have everything you need in order to turn this into a business, you can get this. That's like websites and everything all done for you. That's $77. And the last one is it's going to allow you to create designs with this one here. So this one is going to be, this is Spin Design. And this one is going to cost you $177 for this one. So you can go through the sales funnel. You can buy the front end product as you see on my bonus page here. You can go click this one and you can go through the entire sales funnel and pick and choose which ones you want. Or you can click on this bundle discount link and that's going to take you over here. Now what this is going to do is going to give you everything. The front end offer, all the different OTOs, you get all the different upgrades, and you can use it looks like there's a coupon code at this time that brings that price down to $247 here. So you can get everything there at a discounted bundle price. All these are optional. You can go through the sales funnel, you can get the bundle, it's up to you. Okay, so what do I like about VidzFX and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, it's a software that adds in special effects. So don't think that like the marketing on this is going to make it look really sexy. It's going to look really exciting, but don't think that just because you add special effects to your videos, they're going to start making you a ton more money. It's just a tool that will make your videos look better. What do I like about it? That being said, people like fun tools like this. A lot of customers like their videos to look flashy. If you're able to make your marketing stand above others, if you're able to make your ads, your different videos actually stand out and get more people to watch your content, then you're gonna get more clicks, you're gonna get more leads, and you're gonna get more sales. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at VidzFX, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.